Hey guys, it's Elaine, the Ninja Life Coach. I'm going to do a gradient eye for you today. So sit back, grab yourselves a cup of coffee. I'll be right back. Hey everybody, I'm back. And as you can see and tell by the title of this video, my wig from Uniwigs did not come in today. So I got a notification in my email that it's going to actually be here tomorrow morning. Well, I normally release my videos on Friday morning and I just don't have time, any other time to do it besides this afternoon. But I do have some other good news. I got a package today from a company that sells wigs on Amazon. And there are probably 3 to 4 wigs in this package, and I'm going to do an unboxing of those wigs. I just didn't have time to get it all together and do that this afternoon. So I had to get ready, I had to put my makeup on, and I actually saw this look the other day on YouTube with one of the people that I follow on YouTube. So I thought, well, you know what? I'll just try to replicate that look here on camera and do that today. And then Tuesday when I post my regular video, it'll either be the Uniwigs review or it will be another Amazon wig unboxing, which I'm really excited about that. I thought that whole thing was a joke. I got contacted by this wig company and I was like, they can't be serious. But they were like, we will send you these wigs. And by George, they did. So they're here. I just haven't looked at them yet. And I will look at them with you guys for the first time on camera. I already have on my makeup and my bronzer today. So I am actually going to use something that I don't know if it's even available anymore, but this works with any eyeshadow palette that you can use. This is Charlotte Russe, and I know they are actually out of business. They don't sell anything they don't sell cosmetics anymore, and I think they closed all their stores. But here are the colors so that you can see. And this will work with any 3 colors in the same color palette. You could do this from lilac to deep purple, from light blue down to turquoise, down to navy, from any light brown, down to, the dark brown, gray to black. You can use this with any color, pink to red to, burgundy. Anything like that will work. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this light color right here, and I'm going to apply that up on my occipital bone. And I'm going to load up my palette here. Can you all see? I'm having a difficulty with this camera. There we go. So, got my makeup mirror here, and we're just going to see how this goes. Here we go. Now, I normally don't use a lot of shimmer, but today I'm going to. Just simply because for this tutorial. And I always advise people, the older you get, the less shimmer you need to use on your eyelids. But, I figured today, what the heck, I'll just go with it and we'll see how it looks. Every now and then, I still like to do that. I guess it's a holdover from my days when I like to wear the blue frosted eyeshadow. And sometimes I think, well, I don't know what that look was all about. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the next darkest color in this palette, which is going to be this color right here. And I'm going to use that over my entire lid. And let me get that, load my brush up with that. And I'm going to use it over my entire lid. Now, I haven't used this Charlotte Russe very much, and the reason why I haven't is because I'm not a big fan of this. I picked it up when they were having a clearance sale. I think they might have been going out of business, and I'm really not crazy about the coverage of this eyeshadow. I would normally use, Wet n Wild or maybe my Pacifica or something of that nature, or my BH collection, or Tarte, or something of that nature that's going to have a little bit more pigmentation than this does. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use this color here. Right there. No. Yeah, that color there. And I'm going to go just a little right to the center of my eye. So I'm going to get a little bit on my brush, and I'm going to apply that just a little bit over. And I'm going to apply it all the way up to the crease. I tried this the other day with some colors that were a little bit more vibrant, and I really liked it. But today I thought, you know what, I'm going to drag out the Charlotte Russe, and I'm going to see if I can do the same thing with this. And since I was doing a get ready with me today, I thought I'll just do this and try this out on the folks that watch the channel, and we'll just see how that goes today. The next thing that I'm going to use is I'm going to use this one. This one is a little bit just a fuzz shade darker, and I'm going to use that on through the rest of my lid over to the outer corner. And this is going on just a bit darker. So what we're doing really is we're just building this up until it reaches the outer corner of the eye. That's what we're doing. Because that's usually where you want the most intense color to be, is on the outer corner of your eyelid. Okay, so next I'm going to take this deep brown, and I'm going to go on the very outer corner, kind of like an inverted little V, like I usually do. And I'm going to apply that there. And this is the color. I don't know if you all follow, I can't think of her name. Her name is Shelly. And it's spelled kind of odd, but she does a lot of things. I think it's like Fabulous After 50 or something is the name of her channel. But I follow her, and I really, really like her. I think she may be Australian. And I also like Wayne Goss. I get a lot of my makeup tips from him and from her, because they're really good about doing things for the mature face and the mature eye. And they've really got some good, they've got some really good tips and tricks. So that's who I got these from. I got this from one or the other of them, and I just can't remember which one. So I just want to, you know, shout out to them and say thanks. You guys rock. I love your channel. So here we go. Now I'm just going to kind of blend all that together. And just blend it down. And this kind of gives you a really natural look on your eye if you use the browns, the light browns, and then to the dark browns. I normally like something on my lids that's just got just a little bit more color, but today I wanted something that looked really natural. I've got a lot of running around to do, and frankly, I didn't get much sleep last night, so I'm really kind of tired. But here's the eye, and I'm going to follow that up with some eyeliner. So here we go. I'm going to do that off camera, but I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. So here's the look. And it's just a very simple look. It's very easy. And like I said, you can do this with any color. Now, I'm going to just use my lip liner, and I will drop a link for everything down there in the bottom that I've used in my description box so that you can do this, because frankly, I can't see real good without my glasses to even see what this is. So, but this is just a real good pink color. It's a great color for spring and summer. I'm just going to line my lips. I picked this up because I wanted pink. And I didn't have one. And I found it, and I was like, oh boy, that's really good. I thought it was going to be too bright, and it is a little bit brighter than what I thought it was. But after I get it on and wear it for a little while, you know, it really makes a really nice color. I'm back to my Liquid Catsuit by Wet n Wild. I have absolutely loved this product. This is I had given a review of that earlier this year, and I bought 3 of these tubes in at Ulta earlier this year, and I think Amazon has these as well, and I'll be sure to drop a link, but I've really enjoyed this. This is Mauve Overgirl, is what is the color of this. Normally, I don't wear mauves, but I actually like this one because I've been trying to switch from the browns over to the pinks as I've lightened my hair, and as I've gotten older, I can actually wear some of the pink shades better than I used to be able to, just simply because my skin tone has changed over the years. I apologize again because I did not get to the wig video. I will get to that for you guys over the weekend, and for sure I will do the Amazon wig unboxing because those wigs are here, and if I had time to do that today, I would do it. But doing a wig unboxing takes a little bit of effort. It takes a little bit more effort than doing this. I was already getting ready, so I was like, well, I'll do another get ready with me video. Hope you guys have a great day today. Please be sure to visit my website and check out my store on Amazon. I've got a new store. I'll drop a link down there in the description box so you can take a look at that. Have a great day. God bless. Maranatha.